Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita and I'm your travel advisor with Rita Ventures Group Cruising. Hi, I hope you've had a wonderful week. Nice to see you again. Thanks for tuning in. This week we're going to be talking about some of my must-have things that I always bring with me when I travel. And some of these things have been recent, some of these things have been new. So I hope you're able to learn something new. Definitely comment below with something I may have missed that you always bring with you. And if you have additional tips. Thanks, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing that I always bring with me is my packing cubes. Now this, okay, there you go. This does not seem like a cube at all. But once you get this filled up with clothing, these are amazing. I learned about these on one of my Disney cruises a couple years ago. Somebody had mentioned packing cubes, and I was like, packing cube? What is a packing cube? I mean, I have learned of different methods and tips, tricks, and hints and all that through all my travels. Like, I even made a little cardboard divider in my luggage before. But this blows me, like, all the different tips and tricks that I used before blows them all out of the water. So what I normally do is roll my clothes in here. Rolling your clothes helps keep the wrinkles away. Hopefully that's not new to many of you. And then I zip this up. You know what I like about these is that they remind me of kind of like dresser drawers when you're traveling. So this one, I have 3 of these. So in my large luggage, I pack all of these, and I can pack my toiletries as well in here. So I'll have one of these for tops, I'll have one for bottoms, and then I'll have one for dresses. So that's how I separate it out for me. I know a lot of people have lots of different sizes. If you know anybody who has great tips to help me out with using different sizes, let me know, because I would like to get started. But right now, this is the system that works for me, is using this. If I'm only going to be away for a couple nights, maybe two or 3, I only take one of these in my carry-on. And it is very, it's more than enough for 2 to 3 nights. What I like about these ones, this is the eBags brand, but of course you can find any brand. I like this because it's easy. This little pull strap is easy to put in and out of the luggage. My favorite feature though is this, the mesh. So I can easily take a look at what is in here. There's some other ones that have like a frosted plastic window, which I guess is okay if you want like waterproof, but I like to see what's in my items so I know which packing cube I need to pull. So that is packing cubes. My next one on my list is, my packable hamper. So if you didn't know, Disney people were nerds. And so on my last Disney cruise, I got this fun packable hamper, and what I love about it is, ta-da! And why I say that we're nerds is because this was a fish extender gift on a Disney cruise for me. If you don't know what a fish extender gift is, comment below and I will try and make a video about those also. But so this, you can see kind of how big it is the perfect hamper for when you're away. I use it all the time. I got this about a year ago on my birthday Disney cruise. And I like it because it's structured. So you can just put it aside in the corner and then just put all your dirty clothes in. I make sure to fold everything because it has to go back into my packing cube when I go home. So I like to keep a little bit of neatness to this. So I'm sure you can find this at many different stores. Of course, not with the Disney Cruise Line logo. That was just something fun that the fish extender, the person who gifted me this as a fish extender, something fun that she did to brand it a little bit. and it's also a good memory for my cruise. If you don't have a structured hamper like this, this is my laundry bag that I used for years. It does the same trick. This was something that was given to me at one of those vendor conferences. It's got the mesh, but it doesn't have the structure. So that's kind of why I was so happy to get this, because there's structure to it and it's easier to pack. I mean, like, look, all I had to do was fold that and back in the luggage it goes. The next thing, so those were number 2. I always bring with me packing cubes, and I always bring with me a packing hamper, a packable hamper. Then is all my goodness. So I just brought 3 items. These are all 31. I do not sell 31, but I love their products because there's so many great uses for travel. So this is the hanging traveler case. Let me see. So I love this because, again, it's easy to grab, like when you have a handle. And then when you open it up, so my favorite feature of a lot of the 31s is that their, I guess, straps have this clip on it. And so if you can't find like one of the hooks that is in the bathroom, there's always the towel rods. So you can just unclip this and hang this on the towel rod, and there you go. That's why I like this, so that no matter what situation you're having in your cruise bathroom, you'll be able to hang it up. So here I normally put my cotton balls and cotton swabs, and then you just hang it here like this. And what do I have here? I'll have some natural deodorant in here. And in this big item, like here, this little pouch, I'll use this for like my contact lens case, a razor, my toothbrush, and then in here, and there's some mesh pouches here too, I will go ahead and put my contact lens solution, shampoos, face wash, all the other fun toiletries. This always travels with me. And then this travels with me a lot. This is one of their traveling cases. This, because I have so many special things that can happen to me when I'm abroad, is my medicine cabinet. So, I mean, you'll see there's lots of, I have Imodiums, I have cold calm, I have the ginger chews that I talked about in my motion sickness video. One year I got really bad travel anxiety, so I had bought these at a health food store. These helped me out. I have my inhaler for allergies. I have allergy meds, motion sickness. I have it all in here. And because I just never know what's gonna go on with me personally, I just make sure to pack it all, and I like that it's in this nice, neat container so nothing can spill out anywhere. Alright, and then I do bring more organizers, but let's not make this such a long video. This is, I think, called the Glamour case. And so I like this if I feel comfortable and I don't need to take the big medicine container. I'll take just a couple things and put them in here with my daily vitamins. And I'll put some makeup in here also. I have earplugs because, I mean, earplugs, you just never know. So you need to bring them with you. But you can see that there's like loops for makeup brushes. And sometimes I put like my makeup back here. And so what I like about this is that it has that PVC, the plasticky lining. So if anything happens to spill, it's just a quick, easy cleanup. There is another organizer, but I don't have it here. I think it's called the fold-up organizer. And I use that for a lot of extras. So like that I have also used for makeup and just any like hair ties and things like that that I know that I need with me, but I don't have anywhere to put it. So that was number 3. Number 4 is my oils. I know I had talked a little bit about some oils in my motion sickness video. So I just wanted to go over some of like my must bring oils with me, especially if I'm limited to what I can bring with me. Now I use doTERRA brand. There's a lot of great brands out there that work. Again, I don't sell doTERRA, so I'm not making any claims. These are just what have worked with me. So this is my personal experience. Definitely talk with your medical doctor if you have any questions. The first one is On Guard. Can you see it? A little bit, yes. Maybe, yeah. So this is the immunity blend. So I like taking this and like rubbing it all over if I feel a little bit icky and I need just some immunity, because of course traveling you need to build up your immunity wherever you are, because I hate getting sick. So this comes with me all the time. Peppermint, you know me with tummy issues, so peppermint, there you go. Peppermint helps with tummy issues. It helps with headaches. It helps with muscle aches. So if it's been like a long day of walking around and you need something to help you, that is peppermint. Also, that can be lavender. Lavender and peppermint make a great combo for muscle aches. This is also great for headaches. Lavender is great, has helped me for when I have had like rashes or bug bites. So immediately, like after I get a bug bite, I put some on and it just helps the itch go away and kind of soothes it a little bit faster than just letting it naturally heal itself. So those are some of the ways that I use essential oils while traveling. I could probably do a whole video of essential oils while traveling. If you want to know more, just let me know. Again, I don't sell essential oils. I just love promoting them because they've been amazing for me. So that is all the things that there's definitely more things that I bring with me, but I think that this was a good collection of things to learn just a little bit more about things to help keep you organized or help keep you well when you're away. So please give me a thumbs up, like if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're interested in hearing more content from me. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to see you next week. I really appreciate you, and till next time, have a wonderful week. Bye guys.